story we've been following, of course, for you all morning throughout, and will continue to, is this story of the hedge funds that are getting hit very hard right now, as traders typically on Reddit use that platform to, well, essentially communicate and take the opposite side of what are large short positions in certain stocks, oftentimes retail-based, whether it be a retailer or whether it even be a mall REIT, for example, Macerich shares, which were up as much as 25%. I want to bring in Leslie Picker as well on this story that we've been following. Leslie, I'm sure you've been hearing it. I have throughout the morning. If you are a hedge fund in particular that had a lot of short positions in retail, you're getting crushed. You're potentially having to sell longs. You may be looking for rescue financing. Your prime broker is probably calling you going, hey, you got to get some more money and get it quickly. That's what's going on out there right now. I assume you're hearing the same.
I am hearing the same, David, and I think that's partially responsible for some of the red we're seeing on the screen in the broader markets today, as well as hedge funds look to really shore up their liquidity, maybe sell some other positions in order to ensure that they can cover the shorts that they have found themselves on the wrong side of that trade. I've also spent some time looking at these Reddit forums, and it's clear that the GameStop crusade has two main priorities. Number one, profit, of course. But secondary to that is this idea that a lot of people on those forums really want to blow up hedge funds and then profit from their demise. Now, quickly, two camps. On one hand, you have those who are long and encouraging other investors to buy. This has been personified by retail investors you mentioned, populating these subreddit threads, urging their fellow day traders to billionaires such as Palantir, the Winklevoss twins, Musk, cheering them on. On the other side, certain hedge funds who actually get paid to have some short exposure. Their research propelled bearishness toward names like GameStop, AMC, and their losses are stratospheric. Now, Melvin Capital is a near casualty here this week, with prior puts in companies like GameStop, GSX, and Bed Bath & Beyond. They've since repositioned their portfolio, closed bearish positioning in GameStop in particular, but not without some deep wounds. Andrew Left also said today that he covered most of his shorts in GameStop at a loss. In between...
I gotta rewind that. Oh, this feels great. You've been sticking into the little people for too long. Fuck y'all, hedge funds.
And their losses are stratospheric. Now, Melvin Capital is a near casualty here this week, with prior puts in companies like GameStop, GSX, and Bed Bath & Beyond. They've since repositioned their portfolio, closed bearish positioning in GameStop in particular, but not without some deep wounds. Andrew Left also said today that he covered most of his short in GameStop at a loss. In between, of course, are the quant funds, which are riding the momentum higher. Now, David, as you mentioned, Melvin is the first case, won't be the last case. I've heard the same thing midday yesterday. GameStop short sellers
were did that? The little people.
In paper losses for the year, according to
the little people.
That's GameStop's entire market cap earlier this week, and many retail traders found success in the squeeze. They've made multiples of their money in days in what to them seems almost like an arbitrage trade. So they'll quickly find others as well. AMC experiencing that same phenomenon now. The hashtag Save AMC is trending on Twitter.
Save AMC.
Yes.
Save AMC.
Will be tomorrow, guys.
And AMC shares, I believe, are halted for volatility right now. But
it's
if you want to
okay.
save AMC and you're Adam Aaron and you really want to just do it, try and hit the market with an offering right now.
Right.
They need the money. Struggling given the fact
that let's go, boy. Ladies and gentlemen,
let alone there are
hold the line. Hold
at least. So yeah.